And I'm standing with the man of the match who scored the goal, the only goal of this encounter, Kabelo Dlamini. Congratulations, Kabelo. Here's your trophy. Deserved performance. How do you feel scoring that all-important goal that takes your team to the final?
Yeah, ngiyabonga kakhulu sister. It has been a tough week for me and bengigula and ngishawa fever. But yeah, ngiyabonga ukuthi ngikwazile ukubuya ngizokwazi ukunceda i-team la kubaluleke khona kakhulu.
Ngibonile amanye ama-player akunceda akunikeza i-advice. One of the players bekuwuMabasa, just encouraging you as you were playing. How valuable is that for you, the support that you get from players that are maybe a little bit your senior?
Yeah, kakhulu siyaphushana kulethi njengoba siyi-team ubona ama-results ayasilandela. Yeah, bebangitshela nje ukuthi sicela uphushe njayami because njengoba ngisho azange ngisebenze this week and I had a fever, so yeah, bengi a bit like dizzy, so they said bekafuna nje ukuthi keep going and then yeah.
So coach sekashilo ukuthi uyahamba at the end of the season, and it looks like lento leyo and Phazamisanga, you're still playing well. I mean, you're in the CAF Champions League semi-finals and now you're in the final of the Nedbank Cup. Ni motivated kangakanani to make sure ukuthi uhamba ne trophy?
Yeah, akusho ukuthi ayisiphathanga kahle. Into esizitshele yona sinamajita sizitshela ukuthi athi siphushe sizame ukuwina lama trophy lawo excele esiwa challenge layo for yena ukuthi ahambe proud for le group le anayo manje.
Congratulations, Kabelo.
Thank you so much.